piano there, man. Hilton, excited? We must see the room. Daniel, we must see the room. Dude, they have a bar?
Let's have a seat.
They have restaurants here?
I don't feel like I belong here.
We're in places that rich people would be at.
Well, because the airport and stuff.
Yeah. I can't wait to go see the rooms. Oh my god. It'll be like a royal bed now. No, they're gonna be ugly as hell.
You and I have a room, they have their own one.
Get our own room. Damn. Do they? Dude, I hope the internet's free here. Gotta check it out.